When you begin working with a new course in SpexRay, there will be no requirements present in your course. A requirement is the general purpose term for any kind of item that you would like to track student progress on. This could be something on a very large scale like Unit 1, or it could be something on a much smaller scale like Homework Exercise 1. Requirements, however, are not necessarily synonymous with assessments. For example, you could use a requirement to track whether students have come to your office for a mandatory meeting, or whether students have earned bonus tokens from opportunities that you've given them. On the requirement screen, to create a requirement, click the Add Requirement button. Every requirement should have a name. The label field is entirely optional. It allows you to distinguish multiple items with similar names based upon what their subject might be. The family field allows you to group requirements into families. The scale pop-up allows you to choose how the grading for this assignment will work. The majority of these options will allow you to choose student scores from a menu, for example, of excellent, meets expectations, needs revisions, or not accessible. When a requirement is set to be a points scale, you will also need to provide a maximum number of points so that SpexRay can calculate percentages. If the points themselves don't matter, you can also simply choose a percentage option in which you will directly enter a 0 to 100 percentage score. Due dates are optional and are largely for your own record keeping. If you enter them, please enter them in the format of 4-digit year, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, followed by a space and 24-hour time. When something is due at the very end of the day, I use 23:59 as the due time. Requirement status allows you to attach a visual indicator to what is currently happening with this requirement. Choosing planning in progress, active, or scoring in progress will cause this requirement to show up on your course dashboard. Hypothesis URL and Trello board ID are used for managing integration with those two web services. The bonus tokens field allows you to attach a special number of bonus tokens to be awarded when students have a passing score on this assignment. This is a convenient way to track whether students have completed certain bonus token opportunities. And the notes field is simply for your own reference. Enter the information that you need, click Save. You'll now see a table view with all the requisite information about your requirements. To delete a requirement, click the trash can button next to its name in the table.